This is a video of our snoring freezer. I think it's coming from in here. I have Jimmy rigged holding up the ice machine because it keeps overflowing ice and this won't stay up. I thought maybe that would be the problem. But no. This down. Let's see. So I'm trying to turn this off. But it won't stay up. The ice keeps overflowing. I'll remove ice from in here. So there it is. Actual snoring freezer. As if we needed another thing. Oh, makes me tired. Good night.